Hi, I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I'm going to show you these food and things flipbooks. So I'm holding up two copies here because they've got different pages in them. These come in lots of different variations. So there's American English, there's British English, there's black and white, there's colour. There are food items, 12 food items and 12 objects or place items. So you can see all of those in the previews on the Kids Club English website. But I just want to show you the concept of this, which really originates from this book, which is fantastic, by Nick Sharratt. So the idea is they flip the book. So, do you like ketchup in your lemonade? Yes I do, no I don't. And you turn the pages, ketchup on your toothbrush, toothpaste on your toothbrush. So from this, so using this in class, we made these. So the kids made their own versions, but then you can kind of pick and choose the vocabulary that you want to go in here. Plus there are different variations depending on how you want to practice. So some of the pages, like this one, have the written word and the food. On the other side, you've got like on or in. So if you wanted to, you can focus the prepositions on those prepositions. What makes sense? Ice cream on your pancakes, ice cream in your pancakes. Like, which one is it? And you've got other kinds of pages. So these ones I've done just to show you the variety. But you could choose all of one or all of another or mix them up like this. So do you like ice cream on your pizza? And here they have to write the word. And you'll notice that in the cover, so in the back cover, there are words for the objects and the things and the places. And on the back are all the possible food items. So actually there's more than 12, it's 24 I think, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah, I think it's 24 items of each. So you're probably not going to include every single page in these books, unless you've got a much better stapler than I do. But yeah, they're for you to pick and choose as you want. So the other type of page we've got here are these ones, where basically they have the word but then a space for the picture. So you can use those with the fine stick pictures, so they have to match the picture to the written word. So yeah, lots of fun little combinations you can create. Let's see if we can find an objects one. Okay, so, and this one hasn't been completed yet. So, do you like a toilet in your bathroom? I hope so. But do you like a toilet in your living room? No, thank you. No, I don't. Okay, so this concept, it lets you explore lots of different functional language for expressing likes and dislikes, and you can go beyond the usual like yes I do, no I don't, and see what more kind of natural language comes out of that. So anyway, if you want to have a look at these, and like I said, there's a preview where you can have a closer look at all the pages that are included there on the Kids Club English website. There's also another video which gives you a preview of every single page in the resource. But I hope, even if you don't want to have this, you might try making something like this yourself. I mean, basically, you just need paper, cut some segments, and you could get kids to create their own different objects, vocabulary you've been working on, different places, different foods. And if you like, I've got quite a few ideas of things you can do beforehand to practice the language, things you can do while you're conducting the activity and after the activity to maximise the language practice. So there's a blog post on these on the website and in the teaching tips section. I'll post the link in the description below. So yeah, you can carry on watching, see how I put them together. All right, thank you for watching.